Right, so this is an exciting day. The first time the Maestro has moved in probably about 4 years. I mean, it didn't really move under its own steam, just pushed it out of the garage, but it's on its way to go to the paint shop, get its respray. So yeah, I've been waiting a long time for this day. So that's in the cold light of day. It actually looks quite a bit worse out when it's out the garage than when it's in the garage. So I'll try and get some videos while it's in the body shop. Show you progress.
If you like, please subscribe.
Right, so this is the first video I took of it in the body shop. You can see here it's had quite a bit of the prep work done. The sanding, quite a lot of little holes and dents have been fillered. That roof area at the front there where I welded in that repair panel, been a really good job made of that to hide those repairs. Again, a lot of work there on the rear quarters and the sills. So it had the new sills on it, and it had repairs to the bottom of the A and the B posts, and obviously a couple of new rear quarters on it. So yep, the contours had to be remade there on the arches to make it look factory again. And then pretty much the same on the other side. A lot of fillering on the arch there to get that smooth. Everything else just basically taken down to bare metal. Maintaining those original panel lines as well at the bottom of the pillars. So this was the next video. Everything's masked, ready for some paint there. These have just been rubbed down. The inner wings I'd obviously got rid of all the rust and corrosion in there already. So they're just going to get a coat of paint on top of them. There's another front panel that's got to go on that as well. And everything else, has been primered there. And you see how smooth that windscreen frame repair is. Really happy with that, how that's turned out. And it's unbelievable the amount of man hours that went in, to get it to this stage. It really was a lot of hard work and effort to get the finish so good. All important rear quarters that I was worried about, but no, they're pretty much spot on. Then on the driver's side, there was a correction made on that rear quarter. A few adjustments, to my welding, just to bring the panel out a bit and just tidy the repair in general. So that's worked out really well. And there was, you'll obviously not be able to see it, but there was a welding repair just on the top of that A pillar. So that's all been blended in. Same with a few repairs down on the outside of that A pillar, so again they're invisible now. And this was what we used to tow the Maestro. Pretty impressive quad. Next instalment on the Maestro Turbo. So yeah, it's back from the body shop. I'll turn the camera around. So there we go. So looking very different to when we last seen it. I'll just do a wee walk around Still to get a final polish, and there's various other bits that, you know, I've still got to fit up to it. Needs a new badge on the grill there, some new number plates, tyres and wheels to sort out, that kind of thing. I need to find a couple of grills for the scuttle panel here. I do have a couple, but they're not in great condition, so I'd rather not put them back on. We've got graphics I've ordered for the side, so they're en route. And these side strips here, see, these were obviously repainted black, but the red inserts, I might get some red vinyl and have that fitted in there just to freshen that up a bit. Aerial we've got to reinstall, and the roof gutter trims. Fuel filler cap, that's still to go on. Obviously the rest of the interior needs fitting up. So they get the back seats in it. Door trims on, that kind of thing. All the wiring for the doors, that needs to be done too. Graphics for the back. Need to figure out what I'm doing with the bumpers. I've got a couple of the red inserts there, but might see if I can get some new ones. Number plate to go back on. That was a bootleg you'll have seen on one of the previous videos there that I've done the weld and repair on. What else do we need? Exhaust. Yeah, so I've got the exhaust to fit up to it. The petrol tank, I'll do a separate video on that one. There's an interesting story on that. And pretty much the same on this side. Difficult to make out in the garage with the artificial lighting, but yeah, I'm really pleased with the outcome. And I absolutely love black Maestro Turbo, so yeah, colour's exactly what I wanted.
Please like and subscribe.
That's it. Good.